Good morning, ma'am. This is Ashwita from Computer Science and Engineering Department. I am here to give a presentation on conversations in formal and informal contexts. Outline of my presentation. Introduction to conversation in formal and informal contexts. Characteristics of formal conversations and informal conversations. Examples of formal and informal conversations. Etiquette in formal and informal conversations. Communication style in formal and informal conversations. Language uses in formal and informal conversations. Conclusion. Introduction to conversations in formal and informal contexts. Conversations in formal and informal contexts plays a crucial role in communication. Understanding the difference between these contexts is essential for effective communication. Formal conversations occur in professional settings while informal conversations are more casual and relaxed. Characteristics of formal conversations. Formal conversations are usually planned and have a specific purpose. Participants in formal conversation often use polite language and adhere to professional etiquette. Formal conversations may have a hierarchical or power dynamic. Process of formal communication. Define the purpose, choosing medium, repeat the message, review and revise the message, get approval and authorization, deliver the message, monitor and evaluate the feedback. Characteristics of informal conversations. Informal conversations are spontaneous and can occur in various settings and often use informal language and may have a closer relationship. Informal conversations may involve human and personal stories. Examples of formal conversations: job interviews, business meetings, academic presentations. Examples of informal conversations: chatting with friends or family, casual conversations with coworkers during breaks, networking events. Etiquette in formal conversations. Use formal language and avoid slang or jargon. Maintain a professional tone and avoid personal topics. Follow proper listening and turn taking etiquette. Jargon versus slang. Jargon refers to special words or expressions that belong to a specific profession or activity. Jargon can be used in both written and spoken contexts. Jargon is not informal and can be used in a professional context, whereas slang is a colloquial variety of language that is used in highly informal situations. Slang is only used in the spoken language. Slang is informal and cannot be used in a professional context. Etiquette in informal conversations. Use appropriate language for the setting and audience. Be respectful and considerate of others' boundaries. Maintain eye contact and active listening to show interest. 10 rules of a great conversationalist. Be genuinely interested. Focus on the positives. Converse, respect, best light, embrace differences, be true to yourself, 50-50 sharing, ask purposeful questions, give and take policy should be applied. Conversation style in formal and conversations. Participants in formal conversations tend to be more concise and direct. The tone is often serious and focused on the topic at hand. Nonverbal cues such as body language are important in conveying professionalism. Types of formal communication. There are three types of formal communication: vertical communication, horizontal communication, diagonal communication. Communication style in informal conversations. Participants in informal conversations may use more gestures, facial expressions, and informal language. The tone is generally relaxed and friendly. Participants may interrupt or overlap in conversation more frequently. Formal conversations. Participants in formal conversations should use proper grammar and avoid slang or abbreviations. Use formal greetings and address others by their titles or last names. Avoid using overly personal or informal language. Language used in informal conversations. Informal conversations allow for more casual language and slang. Participants may use common abbreviations or acronyms. Greetings and addressing others can be more informal using first names or nicknames. This is an example for formal and informal telephone conversations. Conclusion. Understanding the difference between formal and informal conversations is crucial for effective communication. Adapting to the appropriate communication style and etiquette can help build a rapport and achieve desired outcomes. Whether in formal or informal contexts, active listening, respect, and clear communication are essential. Thank you, ma'am. For this is presented by Ashwita from Computer Science and Engineering Department.